Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Department of Geosciences at Auburn University. Throughout several video clips, you have learned about the department. You, with an introduction from our department chair, then graduate school dean, and then fellow current graduate students here in the department, and some faculty members about their research. So then you know some information about overall the university and the department itself. uh, Now you like to apply, so that's where I come in. My name is Ashraf Uddin. I'm a professor, and I also serve as the graduate program officer of the department. So I'm actually the connector between the graduate school and the department. So whenever you upload an application in graduate school, and when the application is complete, I get to see that and then share with rest of the faculty members in the department. So we have put together a few slides for that. So I'll share those with you and guide you through what you need to do to apply at our graduate programs. For masters in geography, masters in geology, and also PhD in earth system science. So let's look at the slides. All right, so how to apply. This is the part 4 of series of slides that you have seen before. The first and foremost, when you saw the faculty members, and there are many more faculty members than the numbers and you have seen, so you can contact by visiting the faculty page of the department any prospective advisor that you may want to talk to. There could be more than one advisor you can talk to, and then select the ones you feel like that that advisor's research interest match with that of yours. So you can go to graduate school to start completing an application. It takes a while. And this is the link that you can click on or type into, and then that will take you to the application page. One important note before we go further, that the application deadline for fall 2021 is January the 15th. So it's only a few weeks left here. So I would encourage you to log on to this link before that and submit most of your credential. Okay, what is that you need to submit? So in the graduate school connection, you'll apply and also upload your transcripts, both undergraduate and graduate transcript if you happen to take graduate courses or finish the graduate program somewhere else. We would like to get that transcript as well. And so this is actually the if you request your previous schools, they would automatically send the transcripts to our graduate school. That would make it far more official. And plus, in addition to that, you have to request 3 of your professors or acquaintances or your places where you work, your former supervisors. They can write letters of recommendation. Minimum of 3 we need. You can have more than 3 if you can, get them to write for you. And if you are an international student and trying to apply to our graduate program, we have to have your English score. So there are 2 ways you can do that: test of English as a foreign language, short called TOEFL, and International English Language Testing System, IELTS. There are minimal score requirements. Our graduate school has it, but for TOEFL, the minimum is 79, and for IELTS, the minimum is 6.5. But there are sub divisions within the score. So we also look at those. So I would encourage you to visit our graduate school webpage to understand what scores we emphasize on, what is that needed by the graduate school as well as the department. So these few items go into the portal and apply to graduate school. The other few items that needs to come to me, I'm the graduate program officer, a letter of intent, which is new. So I have a slide, next page, to discuss what kind of information you should have in that to write letter of intent. And also, if you know, most of us write resumes, and write one, compose one, and make sure you have this kind of information that we emphasize on. If you have presented at a conference, a geoscientific conference, professional conference, list that. And if you published any paper in a peer-reviewed journals, and please mention it and provide us the full citation for that, or for those if you have more than one. And also the list of academic honors and awards that you have obtained or earned so far from your previous institutions. Those would be counted as well. One important note highlighted here very well, GREs are not required this current academic year from fall 2021 to spring 2021. So in both semesters, we don't need GRE scores to apply. But as you see from here, we need transcripts, 3 letters of recommendations, letter of intent, and perhaps a resume to complete your application. International students, in addition to all of these, you need to provide scores in TOEFL and IELTS, either one. And those should be original, so you can request the testing agencies to send the scores directly to our graduate school. Okay, so the next page we go about more specification on the contents of the letter of intents. So it could be a page or two, and we have actually on our departmental webpage on how to apply graduate application and in geosciences, you can see that we also have a PDF with a listing of information. We just highlighted a few points here, but I would encourage you to look at the guidelines in our departmental webpage. So 1 to 2 page personal statement, reflection of your unique academic or research experience, anything that was special to you and the field you have chosen, and what you have done before, what you continue to do at Auburn. You need to have a summary on those. Again, if you have papers or other documentation that you have obtained so far, please list them even here as well. And your motivation, interest, and skills, which we cannot directly observe from your transcript, those could be listed here. And we actually have a numeric value to evaluate the letter of intent. So if I'm applying, I would take this little seriously. And again, please look at the guidelines that we have on our webpage. That should be very helpful. And so that's pretty much it. And you have to, you have my email address in the previous slide, so write me an email with any kind of questions. I hope you understand now what to do. And again, if you have any question, you can contact any of your corresponding professors or potential advisors. You can write to them. You can write to our graduate school directly, and you can write also to me with any question, or our department chair for that matter. All right. So I think I'll pause here. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.